What's good, guys? Tito. Welcome back to another video. And you probably clicked on this video because you saw I'm going to be explaining the top 5, well, in my experience, the top 5 most profitable options, companies, stocks, whatever you want to call it, to trade on wherever you trade, Robinhood, Webull, whatever that may be. By the way, if you want 2 free stocks, use my Webull link down in the description. You literally get a free stock for signing up, and it's a brokerage like Robinhood, just a little more advanced. But yeah, if you deposit $100, you get another free stock. I literally just got 4 free stocks of Snapchat, so that's like worth $60. So literally I got $60 for doing nothing. So like, I know you're not doing anything, it's quarantine, just download Webull, deposit $100, take it right out if you want, like you don't have to use it. But anyways, guys, I want to do a disclaimer. These are just the most profitable companies. Doesn't mean they're companies that I actually trade. They're just the most profitable, like the most crazy, but that means they have the most risk. So with reward becomes risk, comes risk, reward. You know, there's like a 50-50 chance you might lose all your money. But yeah, we'll get it started with the first one, and that is Tesla. Tesla is freaking crazy. All right, so Tesla is one of the only stocks I've seen that can literally go up $50 to $75 in a day. So that means you can literally buy an option that's like a little out of the money and it'll be way in the money by the end of the day. Now it can also be way out of the money by the end of the day as well. Whatever Tesla is trading at right now, it fluctuates $50 to $75 within a day. So it's really crazy and has a lot of volume. Of course, it's a meme stock. Sometimes it can literally shoot up to the moon or drop down to 300 like it was like a month ago. The next one is Apple. Your boy is solid. Apple is one of the most profitable companies to trade options because when it drops, maybe drops $6 to $10, but when it goes up, I'm telling you, these options go crazy. You can see like 200%, 300% gains on an Apple contract. Now people usually buy multiple contracts, but if you're in the money and you're 2 weeks, 3 weeks out, it's really hard to get a good deal on that. It'll probably still be like thousands of dollars you're paying for that option. These are not cheap. Like, you have to put money into it to get money out. But Apple is definitely one of the most profitable because it has a lot of volume. A lot of people want Apple options. So the more people who want it, the more people will pay you for that option, for that contract, because you are selling your contract to somebody else. So yeah, Apple is one of the most profitable I've traded. All these are companies I've traded. I wouldn't talk about companies that like I just look at charting and think they're the most profitable because I've never actually tried. But all of these I've actually tried and made like anywhere from $500 to thousands of dollars. If you want one-on-one consulting with me about options and developing your personal winning strategy so that you have little to no losses in the market and become an overall profitable trader, then for only $100 per month, it's not like a monthly thing, it's like $100 for 1 month, and if you want to keep going, then you can renew the fee. But it's $100, and I will literally every single day have a 1-hour phone call with you and talk to you about the winning option strategy so that you barely take losses and you find the best ways to trade. Hit me up on my Instagram at LoveTito. DM me, shoot me a DM if you want to get personal consulting, or if you want to join my profit chat, which is a one-time fee of $50, and it has about 40 something traders in there that send their plays so that you don't make the same mistake, and also send what they've learned and things like that. So it's just a nice little family cycle thing and everybody wins. So if you're interested in any of those, I personally think personal consulting is a steal because like I'm literally developing a personalized option strategy for you, and it's not like I'm charging you like $100 for a year. It's literally just $100. If you think you're good in a month, that's all I need. Like, it's really about getting you the best trader you can be. But anyways, if you're interested in any of those, hit me up on my Instagram, DM me at LoveTito, and yeah, I'll get back to you pretty quick. The third company that I traded and got a lot of profit from was Alibaba. This is like, you know, the Chinese, like, you know, like when you go like and you buy like a drop shipping or something like that. It's like when you get a supplier. most of them are like based in China, and they make products that you find like on Amazon for like a lot cheaper, because that's where they come from, and like you're able to drop ship them for a margin price. I don't personally drop ship, but that's where some people get their supplies from. And honestly, during the whole virus thing, they've had like drops and rises, severe drops, severe rises, because that's where most of their business is. But overall, the stock has been recovering. I think it's about up 11% in the past week, and that can be very good for an option. If you buy one a little out of the money or just slightly in the money, your option will be pretty in the money in a few days. The fourth one is pretty cheap. It's like usually under $60, and this one is AMD. So AMD, you might think it's like a sleeper because it's not as expensive as the other ones, but really this thing can bring some good profits. Made about $500 on a contract when I bought in on a good entry, and overall AMD is very profitable. It's not very affected by news of the market and things like that. It usually does its own thing, has its own resistance, and I would say look at charts for these, but really the market's so crazy, like I don't even look at charts anymore. I just go based off news, try to get a good entry point. And if you want to learn about entry points and stuff like that, I'd say you join my chat or get consulting or something like that, because like I'll give you basics on my YouTube, but when I can really talk to you one-on-one, give you the steps to do and what to do and what to buy, how to get out and things like that, it becomes a lot easier for you to understand instead of just generalized knowledge. I mean, for the last one, this one is a sleeper for me. I really didn't trade this one until like about 2 weeks ago when the whole thing started happening. It's Netflix. So Netflix, everybody's cooped up in their house, and Netflix calls are going for crazy amounts. Before the pandemic, Netflix calls were like 50% or less what they are now. But if you held a Netflix call from then till now, you'll be a very rich man. So really, Netflix calls are like the thing nowadays, because the earnings are coming out, well, the day I'm filming this, earnings are coming out tomorrow, and it can either go a huge sell-off or keep going up, then they'll get another huge sell-off, and then people with puts are profiting, people with calls are profiting. And I'm telling you, these contracts can make you thousands, but they're also costing thousands because Netflix is so popular now and has a lot more volume than it used to. But it's really one of the most profitable companies I've seen to trade options. If you really want to get that $0, or if you really want to double your money, like 50,000 to 100,000 in a few days, Netflix is the way to go. So those are like my 5 most profitable companies that I've traded, and these can get you anywhere from 500 to 1,000. Thousands of dollars, but you have to realize that you have to put money in to make money. So if you put 200 in and double it, that's 400, you get 200 profit. So it's not like you're 2,000%, like unless it's like some crazy luck and coffee thing, you're not gonna get like 2,000%. You're gonna get like 50 to 200, and I can teach you how to get those percentages consistently on consulting. But yeah, there's a lot of risk involved. If you get in, you can easily lose all your money unless you have a really far out expiration date. But with these expensive companies, to get a far out expiration date, that's a lot of money. Like I'm talking $10,000 or more to get a good contract on a large expiration date. But if you have that type of money, go ahead and you can make a lot of money. But if you have less than $10,000 to work with, then you are most likely going to get a weekly, and if it drops significantly, nothing is helping you. Like literally, you're just gonna lose all your money, you're gonna cry, watch it go down the drain, and that's not good. So yeah, don't trade weeklies unless like you're really confident. I've always been saying that. And yeah, join my chat, hit me up for consulting. Guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support. We're gonna hit 2,000 subscribers. Like the video if you enjoyed, subscribe so you can be part of the gang and be there when I hit 2K. I'll probably do like some kind of giveaway. I don't know, probably like some kind of money giveaway and give back to you guys, or give you guys a free stock. I don't know, whatever, we'll see. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit you up with more later. Also, comment if you want to see a day in the life And I'll try to get my second episode of the $0 to $1,000 challenge. I just kind of forgot about it. But yeah, comment down below if you want to see a day in the life of like an options swing trader, 17-year-old options swing trader. Yeah, I'm not 18. Okay, I might look 18, whatever, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, catch you later. Peace.